Okay, so this video will show you how we create a motion study for this model. And before you start to create a motion study, first things you must assemble the models. Then you must create the exported view for the car jack. Okay, so you can find the motion study here. When you click motion study, so it will pop up a time frame here, and you will see this one is the time bar. You can move the time bar. Okay, for the motion study, for the first features, I will show you how we create a view change animations. Okay, so the first thing here, your time frame here, you can see from here, you can click like zoom to fit, you can zoom in and up. Okay, then here the first things here, if you want to create a view change animation, by default you can see from the orientation and camera view, you right click, you will find here the disable view key correction is inactive. Okay, the first thing you need to untick this. So now is the view key correction is active. Okay, if you want to add any event, you're going to move the time bar here. Okay, where's my time bar? Okay, you can click on any second here. You will see the gray color line. This one is a time bar. Let's say you will see this one, we call it a key. Okay, the key, it will show you what event it will happens. Okay, let's say at 5 seconds here, I add my time bar. Okay, maybe I will place a key here. Okay, from the view orientation, you will see here 5 seconds to 0 seconds, there are no activity. Okay, let's say now I try to move my view. Okay, from here, you see when I pick the view, the black colors here, it will detect the view change. And let's say, let me show you first. Maybe I change to top view. So if I move the time bar here, you will see from the original view, from 0 second to 5 second, the view it will rotate. Okay, we move the time bar. You must move the time bar. I move the time bar to 10 seconds. I place a key here. Then maybe I change to different view. Let me see, maybe I change to isometric view. And you see, I move again. You can see animations. Okay, you can play the animation from beginning. You can just click this one, play from front, and you can check what is the speed you want. You can control the play speed. So usually I put 2x double up because when I check, animation will be faster. Okay, for the view change, you also can, beside that, you can change the view from here using the view orientation, or you can change the view by using the arrow key on your keyboard. Okay, let's say I move here at another 5 seconds. Okay, from here I rotate. Maybe I rotate my view to become like this. So we will see from here 10 to 15 seconds, it will become the view like this. So maybe I show you, I add another 5 seconds here. You see, if I use the mouse to scroll in, zoom in, the view it will detect like this, zoom in. Okay, here maybe I zoom up time, then I add another 5 seconds, place a key here, then I zoom up. Okay, maybe I play the animation start from here, so you will see you like zoom in and zoom up. Okay, maybe I need a pause for the view change. Okay, let's say 25 to 30 seconds. I don't want to have any view change for my animations. So what I will do is here I will place a key at 30 seconds. Then I will move my time bar. Maybe 30 to 35 seconds, I need another view change. So I will move my time bar to here and I place a key here. So then I will move the view maybe like this. So you will see the action here. Between 5 seconds, it will stop because no activity in between 25 to 30. So let me turn back the view and place a key here. I move back like this. Okay, if you don't want to have any view change, let's say you don't want to have any view change after 40 seconds. So what you can do here, you can disable the view key creations. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can insert exploded animation and assemble animation in motion study. So you can see the animation widget here. Animation widget, you can add like rotate model. Okay, for rotate models, you can select. Let me show you. So you can rotate at which axis you want to rotate, and number of rotations. So let's say I set one rotation, and it will ask you want to rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, I just pick either one, then I will click next. So you will start from here. Your last activity for the view change is 40 seconds. So automatically it will detect 40 seconds here. So the action, it will start from 40 seconds. And it will ask you what is the durations to complete the animations. So if I need the rotation to complete within 5 seconds, I just type in 5 seconds. Then I click finish. Then when you click finish, you will find out here. You will see you have activity change here. Okay, for the rotations, you will rotate like 1 second, you will rotate one rotation. So you will see here you have 5 seconds, you have 5 rotation. Then if I click play from here, I play from here. Actually, you will see you will keep rotating. Okay, if let's say I want to add exploded view or collapse, you can select from here. So you see this is exploded view. Okay, your exploded view animation, you can overlap with the view change animations or without a view change animations. Okay, I will show you how is your exploded view happen if there is a view change occurs. Okay, the first thing from here, I will show you, I will add a exploded view animation between 0 to 25 seconds. because between 0 and 25 seconds, my view is rotated like this. Okay. Okay, let me create an exploded view. So I will start from 0 second, and the duration I need is 25. If I click finish, then you will find out under here, let me move this, under here, you can see this line here, it shows the activity where the component is moving. So you will see between 0 to 25 seconds, the exploded view is happens. See? So when I play my animation for exploded view, I start from beginning. You see, the exploded view is happens together with the view change. Okay, let me stop from here. Okay, let's say I add 30 to 40 seconds. It show the collapse view. I can start. Okay, sorry. Okay, click here, collapse. So maybe I start from 30 seconds. So between 10 seconds, I need to complete the collapse view. It's the assemble view. So let's see from here, I play. It will pause. Then after that, you will continue and complete exploded view. Okay. This one, your collapse animations and the assemble animations, it will overlap with your view change. If you don't want to overlap with the view change, I will show you the exploded view. You can start from here, 45 seconds. Maybe I add 10 seconds to complete animations. Then from here you will see, here is without view change. So if without view change, it will look like this. The views will be constant, it won't change. See, I can add a collapse view. So 10 seconds also. So this is the difference with the view change and without a view change. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can add an animation to show how the car jack is moving. So maybe I will start from here. Okay, as you know, when we rotate the rod here, the car jack, it will move up or down. From here, we can add motor. So the motor, it either can be a rotary motor or a linear motor. But in this case here, we need it to rotate. So we pick a rotary motor. Then I will click the head here. Then you will find out, it will show you a direction of rotation. Then you can turn. The rotations is either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then it will need you to set what is the speed of the rotations. So for this case here, maybe we not do it so fast. We make it 50 RPM. Okay, when you add a motor, you will find out here, the design tree here, you will appear a rotary motor 1. Then the rotary motor 1, the action is start from 0 second, and it will overlap with your exploded view, the view change, it will overlap with your collapse view. Then it will end here. Okay, if you need to end at the time further here, so maybe you need to move your time key. Maybe I move until 1 minute 15 seconds. You need to add Okay, and first I need to select the key here. I need to select the motor one. I will select motor one. I will add an off key. I will off the actions here. Okay, let it move. Okay. Then if let's say I want my motor to start somewhere here, 1 minute 10 seconds. So I need to move the key here to front. I need to move my key. Maybe I need to start after my collapse animations. Okay, so you will see here, once it's complete the previous animation, then the motor, it will move. See, it will move the rod, and your car jack, it will move. Okay. So if I want to move down, you need to add another motor. You need to make sure the directions is in the opposite directions. Change to lower speed. Okay, when you add it here, it will appear motor 2. But maybe my motor 2 here, I need to off somewhere here. Then remember, move the key here. Don't let the motor animations overlap with other animations. So you see, I will let my motor 2 animation start after the motor 1 animations. So you will see what happens. Then it will move down. Okay, my laptop a bit slow, need calculation. Wait, I play again. Okay, now it's moved now, because just now it do calculating, so it look slow. Okay, you can extend the times. You will see here what happens if you extend the times. You see it's calculating. So if you want to do calculations, you need the animation to calculate before run animation. You always can click this one, calculating. So it will calculate everything. Or we calculate from beginning. Maybe I will start from here. Okay, maybe I will show you animation here. Okay, you see, it's running. It take time. Wait a while. Okay, I will advise you, when you do motion study, try to avoid opens too many applications. Okay. Let's see, maybe I will run until here. You see the animation is calculating. It's calculating. So you see, when I run, it will move down. Okay, this is how you're going to show the animations using the motion study. And your animations, you can save in video format. From here, you can save the animations. So you can save under AVI format. Okay, so that's it for motion study.